cute. Tell me again what you are. What are you?
I'm a robot.
You're so cute. Did you put that together yourself?
Yeah, I made it. I made it for her robot prize.
You did make it. Okay, step back just a little bit because I can't step back. There we go. You're so cute. How did you make it? Did you open up the box?
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. Can you turn around for Mama? Can I see the whole outfit? Is that what you're going to be for Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I think that's a great idea.
That's a robot. I mean.
Robot for Halloween. Perfect. What does a robot say? What does he say? Wait, oh, come back over here. Because Austin, you don't want to trip over Austin. What does a robot say? Does a robot say beep bop, beep bop? You're so cute. I'm going to turn this off now, okay? This is so cute.